We all well known that the CVR method, founded and developed by the Chintala Venkata Reddy, is native Alvala Mandal of Medchal district of Telangana state. He has been cultivating all types of field crops organically for the 4 decades without using any chemical fertilizers and pesticides. He uses soil liquid as a fertilizer, pesticides, and a mineral mixture for growing the all crops during crop season. For his dedicated works, he won many awards at the state level. Apart from this, he was also honored by the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the Government of India during 2020. Both in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, many farmers following the CVR method and reducing their cost of cultivation. In Nellore district, the farmer and engineering graduate Harshad Vihar, native of Patel Nagar village, Vedavallur Mandal of Nellore district, following the CVR method for the last 2 years and getting good yield in paddy crop by reducing cost of cultivation 10 to 15,000 per acre. Now we listen the farmer Harshad Vihar experiences in CVR method followed in paddy crop through his words.
Ladies and gentlemen, many people are asking that please explain CVR method in English. So for that people, we are doing a video in English, complete in CVR method. The main concept of CVR method is, he is a great farmer from Telangana. His name is Chintala Venkata Reddy, and he did that taking subsoil and topsoil, with that only doing farming. It's not so easy that only spraying topsoil, subsoil and the paddy fields. If the insect and mosquitoes are mainly affected the crops, for that control, we should use castor oil half liter, subsoil 25 kgs, 200 liters of water, drum water. All ingredients are mixed well and stirred with a stick. After that, spraying on paddy fields, the insects will die, because the insects and mosquitoes does not have liver and lungs. When it eats, it can't digest and they will die. So that we can control insects. For growing purpose, we will use what means wheat and paddy. 2 kgs of paddy, 2 kgs of wheat is enough for 1 acre. They are soaked in water 24 to 48 hours. After that, they will come germination. When it comes germination, after that we will grinder, by mixie or grinder. It will become a paste, sports paste. Taking the sports paste and 25 kgs of subsoil, 25 kgs of topsoil and 200 liters drum water, all are mixed with drum, and the ingredients should be all mixed. After that, spraying will be done. The result is excellent growing. It's an international patent. That was the founder of that CVR technique is Chintala Venkata Reddy garu. He is from Sikandrabad, Alwal, Telangana. As you all know, as a young farmer, I am a Harshad Vihar from Vedavallur, Nellore district. ఎంత ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు కానీ మన తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితేనే ఆ వీడియో సంపూర్ణం అవుద్ది. ఎందుకంటే మన తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలు గర్వించదగ్గటువంటి పేటెంట్ అది. ఏంటంటే మట్టి నీళ్లతోనే వ్యవసాయం చేయడం అనేది మామూలు విషయం కాదు. వాటితో మనం చేయడం జరుగుతా ఉంది. పురుగులను చంపడానికైతే ఆమదం, లోపల మట్టి 25 kgs, 1/2 లీటర్ ఆమదం అన్ని కలిపి 200 డ్రమ్ము నీళ్ళలో డైరెక్ట్ పొలాల మీద స్ప్రే చేయడం జరుగుతా ఉంది. గ్రోతింగ్ కోసం అయితే 1 ఎకరాకి 2 కిలోల వడ్లు, 2 కిలోల గోధుమలు తీసుకొని మూట కట్టి నీళ్ళలో నానబెట్టిన తర్వాత ఇది మొలకొస్తుంది కదా, వాటిని మిక్సీలో చేసి పేస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ద్రావణం అవుద్ది. ఆ ద్రావణం 200 డ్రమ్ము నీళ్లు, ఆ లోపల మట్టి, పై మట్టి 25 kgs అన్ని కలిపి డైరెక్ట్ పొలాల మీద స్ప్రే చేసినప్పుడు ఎక్సలెంట్ గ్రోతింగ్ వస్తుంది. ఇది CVR మెథడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.